What's up, guys? Welcome back to Picky Garage. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to install quartz leather ceramic coating. This stuff is good for leather, vinyl, synthetic leather, interior, wood, and plastic. This is actually a really easy process, a lot easier than ceramic coating a car. Pretty much the steps are, you're going to want to clean and disinfect your leather interior, your leather seats. Today I'm just going to be doing the seats of the car. It is about $60, around $60 depending on where you buy it. I think I got this for $59.99, which is just extreme dye transfer protection. It's a good product. I've heard really great reviews on it. This includes the applicator pad, microfiber, little suede microfiber towel, and 2 hologram stickers, which means that your car was leather seats were ceramic coated. This stuff tends to last for about 6 months from all my research. So that will protect your, pretty much protect the seats from any stains like coffee stains or anything like that, or just gives it that extra layer of protection. Normally what I do with my cars are, I clean it with interior cleaner. This seat was actually already done. I will be showing you and demonstrating the interior, or the cleaning process on the passenger seat with the product P&S Express interior cleaner. Great product, really nice smell. I did a kind of an in-depth review on this. You guys can check that video out. I just did that before this video. This ceramic coating is the next step in the process after using the interior cleaner. This interior cleaner kind of gets all the dirt and debris out of the seats, so it allows you to easily clean and protect the seat after. What I used to do is I used to use Chemical Guy's leather conditioner, and what this leather conditioner did was it allowed for you to pretty much condition the leather, let it last longer. It prevents against the cracking and wear and tear. It's pretty much like a vitamin E potion, which is good for the leather seats, good for leather interior. Really praise that product, great product. But I wanted to go ahead, take it one step farther and get the quartz leather ceramic coating. Pretty much how you apply this is go ahead and do your interior cleaning, which I'll show you on that seat. I use a bore brush or interior detail brush to make a circular motion. That's what pulls the dirt and debris out of the seats. One step before that, sorry, use a vacuum. Make sure your attachment on the vacuum doesn't have any sharp edges, as it will cut and scar the leather seats. You don't want that to happen. After that, then you would use the P&S Express interior cleaner, or I have also used regular leather interior cleaner off of Amazon, and Chemical Guy's leather cleaner. You go ahead, do that, wipe the seats down, let them dry off. You don't want to apply this when the seats are wet. So then you go ahead and apply this. What you're going to do is you're going to apply a little bit onto the little microfiber towel, the suede towel, and kind of go across as you would polish, across, down. I'll probably demonstrate on here, as it will be easier to view. I'll also do it on this seat for you guys, but I'm going to end up doing my whole interior in this stuff. The curing process, pretty much about 4 hours. Let it sit for 4 hours. Don't get in the car for 4 hours. And then for 24 hours, you don't want any liquids or anything to touch the seats. So this is a really good detailer if you don't plan on driving your car for like the next day. That's kind of what I do. I'm just going to let this car sit for a day. And then the full curing will take place in about 4 days from what my research shows. That's when you can expect maximum defense against any liquids, debris, stains, anything like that. So the seats, this seat is clean. You guys will see me cleaning this seat, or you can check out my P&S Express Interior Cleaner review. You guys can see how I did this seat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out, this brand new product, I'm going to open it up. Here's the, I think this is a 30 milliliters of the quartz leather. Nice package, UV protection, all that good stuff. Where is it made? It is made in the, I think it said, made in Korea. All right. So brand new packaging. It says on here, new upgrade 2019. So a new formula. Here is the pad. This is the applicator pad, and then these are the towels that you can use to apply the coating. For the amount of uses you can get out of this little bottle, I would expect anywhere from, it depends how much you use. I'm kind of a big proponent of I use more than what I really need to. But that's me. You don't have to be like me. So I can expect to do probably anywhere from 5 to 10 cars with this little bottle. I put about 5 to 10 drops on the pad, the applicator pad. So here, scoot in farther. So here's the pad. You put the little fiber over top the pad. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then you open up, dab, 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 dab. Make sure that it's, a good five drops or so on the applicator pad. And then you go, let me move the camera. And then you take the applicator pad, you go side, 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 and then you would do up, down, okay? And then you can wipe off any excess residue. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably, just for viewing purposes, it's probably easiest to see this, this center console here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one first. First, you're gonna wanna clean your seats. I am using P&S Express Interior Cleaner. Very inexpensive product, so I like to go a little bit overboard. I am using a brush and just do nice circular motions to pick up any of that dirt residue. After this, you're going to want to let it dry before you put the coating on. So guys, I went ahead and cleaned the entire seats with the Express Interior Cleaner by P&S. I used a boar brush, as you guys saw, wiped the seats down with a microfiber towel. Now what you want to do is let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry, make sure there's no chemicals on it, make sure no dust gets on the seats. Big thing is don't forget to vacuum in the crevices. Use a nice soft brush or utensil vacuum to get in these crevices where dirt lays. There's a little bit of, I don't know, that's some fabric stitching. But you just want to make sure that you're not coating in any dirt, dust, or debris. But yeah, P&S does a great job of cleaning the interior. I'm very pleased with the product. Let me let these seats dry and then we'll get to the next step. All right guys, so I have it unwrapped. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I have the applicator pad, the applicator. Oh man. A little tight. So I'm going to apply some drops to the pad. Way more than 10, but it's okay. And go side to side. Then up, down, up, down, and I'll do the sides. And then for the creases, it's kind of hard to get in, so I'm just going to use my nail and try to push it in there to the crease. I don't know if you guys can see that. Push it on this side. And yep, that's pretty much it. Just make sure it's in there nicely. So that's how I did the center console. I'm gonna go ahead and let this cure for about 30 minutes. Once it's cured, for 30 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second coat of this stuff. I'm just trying to make sure that I get all the crevices. I'm kind of OCD with that. Get the lips as well. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry. While this is drying, I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you guys. I think you can see my seat. Let me see here. All right, guys, this seat is dry from when I used the interior cleaner here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's kind of easier for the camera. So I have the applicator pad and I have the applicator here like this. I got a glove because this is really harsher chemical. You really don't want to get any chemicals on your hand, but this one in particular, you can actually smell it too. So go ahead and put a couple, come on now, drops. Make sure it's on that good. And then just go side to side. Go up and down with it. You can also put your seat back a little bit to really get in all the crevices. You can see how it's kind of wet looking. That's how you know that you've got it fully. Make sure you get all the crevices. What I tend to do is use my fingernail kind of to get into those deeper parts, deeper crevices, wherever the stitch line is. Kind of want to get that back in the seat, around, just get in there. And then also make sure that you're getting the sides of the seats as well. Same thing as the center console, you can let it dry for 30 minutes and apply a second coating. Get the front, the sides. You really only need to use it on, what it's going to touch, or what, a harmful substance could touch. I kind of just go overboard with a little bit of everything. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how easy it is, how simple it is. This is a great product if you are looking to kind of take your seat protection to the next level. Quartz leather, if you guys can see that, is a great product. It's a little bit more expensive, but like I said before, the life expectancy or protection expectancy on your coated seats are probably around 6 months, and then I would reapply. If you don't use the car all that often and you keep your seats clean, you can probably get a year. The way that you clean this coating is you can go ahead and after you have it coated, you can, in a couple weeks, maintain it with Express interior cleaner or whatever leather interior cleaner or interior cleaner product that you have. Just make sure it's safe for ceramic coatings. this Express cleaner from PNS is. All these links, or the links to all these products that I'm using, are going to be, or it is going to be in the comments, or not the comments, in the detail section below this video. Touching over what those products are is a vacuum. Make sure that you vacuum the dust and debris out of the crevices of the seat, as you don't want that to be coated into the seats. After you vacuum the seats, you can go ahead and hit it with a interior cleaner. I use Express Interior Cleaner by PNS, along with a brush to really agitate the dirt. Then you take a microfiber towel, and you can wipe the excess, or wipe off the dirt and debris after the fact. Then you go ahead and use the applicator pad, ceramic coating, apply a couple drops, go up, down, left, right, and I'm going to apply 2 coatings. You can be fine with 1. Me, I just like going overboard, so I'm going to apply 2 coatings. For the 2 coatings, just wait 30 minutes for it to cure. Full curing of the seats, so don't let any water or anything touch the seats for probably 4 to 24 hours. And then the life expectancy of the coating is going to last you 6 to 12 months, depending on how well you maintain it. And then you can apply it just like you just did, or I just showed you in the video. And to maintain and clean your car, you can use any interior cleaner pretty much. Just make sure it's safe for leather coatings or any type of interior ceramic coating. Yeah, that's about it, guys. You can wipe it down after it dries, or after you're done applying it, with a microfiber towel. Me, I just let it sit. I feel like it's more substance to really bond to the leather and protect it. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll try to get to them. I pretty much get to everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thanks.